lavorato sulla livrea 25 della M1. My name is Marco Ferraro. I'm working for Yamaha R&D Europe inside the design division, and I'm a designer, a bit more specialized in coloring. I'm entering 21 year, something like that. 2003, for me it was one of the first time to visit a motorcycle show. I entered in this booth where I saw this, that was very strong for me. I knew that was Yamaha. The first request I received from Yamaha when I joined, it was a small 50cc scooter. I've been working on the Valentino Rossi replica. I was coming in 2004 in Yamaha, the same year when Valentino was joining Yamaha. As you can imagine, many Italian young boys, because also Valentino is really representing my generation. I mean, it was fantastic. Some other request was coming from the mother company, so to have a deeper and deeper collaboration on the Max category. For that reason, we grew up our contribution on the coloring selection, starting from the legendary T-Max, and gradually moving that kind of color method to the X-Max and then Max later on. About Tenere, since we start caring about the production project, in parallel Yamaha wanted to race with that bike, and the racing project start. Also for me it was something new, so it was again another big possibility to train myself. Yeah, as well, also for me, I was not believing that till I see it by true. Can express my gratitude for this opportunity. No, I think the activity made on M1 is not work. For me, is coming as a passion. You do it for passion. Passion is what you do naturally. So you are not forced to do by somebody else, or because you are engaged, or you feel some obligation, something like that. You do it by open heart, and you do your best. I think each project is unique, but the philosophy we put, or I think what I believe and the core can be resumed in one word, that is feel. You know, we all work one mission, that is Kando. Kando as this sample, every year I move to some motorcycle show and look to the people reaction in front of our other models. They are sparkling light in their eyes, and some smile is coming to their face. That's Kando for me. So that is that kind of emotion. This is the place of possibilities. It's a special company because think and realize product for a better life of the people. So from the simple things to the amazing object as M1, that is expression of the highest technology of the company. Yes, working for Yamaha is amazing.